slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV still back here once again with another review. This time we're looking at this pair of off-white dunks. I think they're the 05 out of 50 or 05 of 50, sorry. If you're new to the channel, show some love, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and smash that like button. Also, remember to follow your boy on Instagram. I said like the video twice. You guys do what you want. I don't really care, but it does help the channel grow and show support to me, so I appreciate everything. And also remember to follow on Instagram if I didn't already say that. Super bad memory, and it's late at night. Something happened with the first recording of this. Then I wore the shoes out, and then I realized I thought I uploaded it on my computer so I can render and edit and upload it, but I didn't, and I deleted it on my phone. I guess it didn't go through when I clicked upload. And yeah, so here I am remaking it with the shoes as I'd wear them. So I mean, yeah, so without the blue laces all over the place. But I digress. Let's get into it. These are from YesKicks. They took about a week and a half to 2 weeks to get here. Came double boxed, bubble wrapped as per usual with them. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. And without further ado, let's get into it, man. Not gonna hold y'all for too long. So here's the website, YesKicks.cn, the email, WeChat, and then if you use the code RV stuff, you can save yourself $15 on your first purchase on the website. So keep that in mind. Although I don't condone purchasing anything, you guys do what you want. I'm just showing y'all what you would get if you were to buy. So put the shoes to the side real quick. We'll take a look at the box. You can see here, you got this like fake tape looking kind of box with the little drawn on Nike and the off-white branding. That's pretty much it for the box. It kind of just, and then it has those little plastic see-through holes here. Here you can see the lot. So I guess on the retail pairs this would be checked off because these are the 5 out of 50s. That's pretty much it for that. Nothing crazy going on elsewhere on the box. Sizing information here: dunk low, beige, sky blue, gray, size 12. So when I wore these, I did take the insoles out. I just put them back in for the video because I usually wear 13 and they are a little tight with the insoles in, so just keep that in mind. Opening the box up here, on the inside, that's how that looks. And then over here you got this off-white paper. You got a pair of like white cream rope type laces. Not quite rope laces, but I guess like dunk laces. And then you have the shoelace stuff that goes on the shoe itself in blue. So this goes through all these little eyelet holes. So yeah, pretty much it for inside the box. Here are the shoes themselves. I did cut off the zip tie, but the zip tie did say 05 of 50, so it is correct to this shoe. So if you get the other ones, I'm sure it'll come with whatever number it is. So here they are without the blue laces on them. They look pretty clean in my opinion, as like an everyday sort of shoe. So yeah, one thing I will tell y'all, the quality of the writing, at least on my pair, for the laces was pretty bad. I just ended up scratching off the rest, but yeah, as you can see, it wasn't really much of a big deal to scratch it off. It came off pretty easy, so keep that in mind. Not the best quality on the laces or on the font on the laces. That's just shoelaces in quotations. Typically they're good. Just with this pair, I did find that the quality was lacking in that area. Overall though, the shoe itself did come clean. And you see here it says 05 of 50 right there. But I mean, yeah, overall the shoe is clean. I did enjoy wearing them on my brief 7-Eleven run to get a Slurpee earlier. So you guys can check it out. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Bottom might be a little dirty, but you got that nice white bottom, outsole on the cream midsole. Pretty dope look for sure. And then with the white laces, it's just an overall clean looking shoe. And then the yellowed up tongue. So kind of happy that I did wear these before. I guess obviously not for the same circumstances, because you know, the thing that happened with the previous video, just I deleted it. So yeah, I wouldn't typically wear my shoes prior to showing them, just because I want to show them the way they came. So here you can see the tongue, got the Nike, little piece chunk taken out there and there on the right shoe. That's one of the differences between left and right. And then on the inside, you just got a little off-white hand, sizing information right there for you guys. And then what I did mention when the first time I tried to record this video was nice leather padding all around the ankle. Super nice for support for sure. But I mean, yeah, overall clean shoe. You can see the font there as well, the off-white font. Left shoe here, the only difference really would be the face on the insole on this one, and then the hole is placed differently. So you got a hole here, and then you have a chunk taken out on the right side of the left shoe's tongue. So yeah, pretty much it for differences. Here's a better look at this shoe up close. You got a mix of materials, so you got leather on the gray and the white is canvas, with a little bit of kind of like a distressed look on the toe box, kind of like the off-white ones. Nike in black on the back. Got some little numbers here, whatever that means, FA21565 9470. Yeah man, overall dope pickup in my opinion. I like dunks, especially like mono colorways like this that are kind of low key. You know, I don't like wearing super loud stuff on my feet usually. I like sticking to the same fits almost every damn day, like a white t-shirt, white kicks, or black t-shirt, black kicks, whatever, right? And just change the pants up. So pretty simplistic guy, and for me, these shoes work. I wouldn't do all that extra shit with the laces and the zip tie and blah blah blah, but overall clean shoe for daily wear in my opinion. And with that being said, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm super tired, it's late. Didn't expect to run into this issue where I gotta make this video twice, so yeah, it is what it is, but I do it for y'all. So with all that being said guys, stay tuned for more heat on the way. Show some love to the channel please, and thank you. Subscribe if you like what you see, of course. More stuff on the way, trying to get more things, and yeah, just more content out generally, so because I do enjoy doing this stuff for y'all and I enjoy the feedback, blah blah blah. So with all that being said though guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.